In this video, we're unlocking the secrets of Try It On AI. Can a computer program really be your personal photographer? We are going to find out. We will look at its best features and its biggest problems. Is it worth your hard earned money? Stick around to discover if this AI tool is the future of photos. What exactly is Try It On AI? Imagine you need a new photo for your job or online profile, but you don't have time to go to the photo studio. This is where Try It On AI comes to the rescue. It is an online tool that uses artificial intelligence to create professional headshots for you. You just need to upload some of your selfies. The AI then studies your face and creates new pictures for you. These pictures can make you look like you are in a business suit, a casual outfit, or anything you want. It's like having a personal photographer on your computer, but is it as good as a real person? Let's dive deeper and see. Now for the exciting part. Let's talk about the top features. First up, we have Express AI Headshots. This feature is for people who are in a hurry. Do you need a professional photo like yesterday? This is the feature for you. You upload your selfies, and in a very short time, you get your new pictures. We are talking minutes, not hours or days. It is super fast and super easy. This is perfect for when you have a last minute job application or need to update your LinkedIn profile quickly. You get a variety of headshots to choose from, all looking sharp and professional. So you can say goodbye to waiting for a photographer. Isn't that amazing? This feature alone is a game changer for busy people. But wait, there's more. Next, we have the Creative Studio. This is where you can let your imagination run wild. Are you tired of the same old boring headshots? The Creative Studio lets you create custom portraits. This means you can choose different styles, backgrounds, and even outfits. Want to see yourself as an astronaut? You can do that. Want a picture of yourself in a beautiful garden? You can do that too. This feature gives you the power to create images that truly show your personality. It's not just about looking professional, it's about looking like you. You can play with different looks and find the one that is perfect for you. This is where Try It On AI becomes more than just a tool, it becomes your creative partner. So, are you ready to get creative? Third on our list is AI headshots for teams. This is a fantastic feature for companies and groups. Imagine you have a team of people working from all over the world. How do you get everyone to have a matching professional photo for the company website? It can be a real headache, but with this feature, it's as easy as pie. Team members can upload their own selfies from wherever they are. The manager can set a specific style for all the photos. This way, everyone's headshot will look consistent and on brand. It saves so much time and effort. No need to organize a big photo shoot. Everyone gets a great looking headshot that matches the rest of the team. This is a super smart solution for modern companies. Last but not least, let's talk about ease of use and speed. You don't need to be a computer genius to use Try It On AI. The website is very simple and easy to understand. The steps are clear. Upload your photos, choose your style, and wait for the magic to happen. And the best part is it's incredibly fast. You can get your new headshot in as little as 10 to 30 minutes. This is so much faster than hiring a traditional photographer, which can take days or even weeks. In today's fast-paced world, we all want things to be quick and easy. Try It On AI delivers on that promise. It takes a complicated process and makes it simple for everyone. This focus on user experience is what makes it stand out. Now, let's talk about the downside. Every tool has its weaknesses, and Try It On AI is no exemption. The main disadvantage is that the results can be inconsistent. While you can get some amazing photos, you might also get some that look a bit strange. Some users have reported that the AI can make them look morphed or unnatural. Sometimes the eyes are not quite right or the hand looks a bit weird. This means that out of all the photos you get, you might only be able to use a few. This can be disappointing, especially when you are paying for a certain number of images, so it's a bit of a gamble. Now, let's do a quick demo of how this platform works. So first, log into their website, and from here, click on Log In. So you need to have an account. I created mine with Google, so I will just click Continue with Google. And once you're logged in, you will have few options here. So first is the Express AI headshots. The next one is for Teams and another one for the Creative Studio. So for this one, let's try to use the image editor for free. Let's go ahead and click this one. Now here, what you can do is you can upload an image. So just click on the upload button and choose your picture. So I choose my picture right here. Now after that, you will have a few options down below. So you have the human edit and you have the AI edit. So let's start with human edit first. So this one, you're going to type here your request for the editor. For example, you can type change my background to something professional, and then you just type all your requests in this one and click on send request, and try it on editors are going to edit your photos for you. Also here you have an AI edit, so let's try and click on AI edit, and from here you will have few options. You have expand, recreate, upscale, animate, change background, or erase. So here let's try to use expand. And after that, let's click on expand image. So let's see what it is going to do. All right, so we got the results. So this is how it looks like when you expand the photo. So this is the main flow of how you can edit your pictures. So here on the left panel, we can click on this one and it is going to open the Creative Studio. So right here, if you have your photo uploaded, you will just type in a prompt and the AI is going to produce the images that you requested on the prompt. So how much does all of this cost? Let's break down the pricing. Try It On AI has a few different options to choose from. The Express AI headshot package starts at around $35 for 20 images. If you want more images, the price goes up. They also have a subscription for their Creative Studio, which starts at about $19 per month. This gives you credits to create custom images. And if you want a human to edit your photos, that's an extra charge, usually around $10 per image. So it can be a bit more expensive than some other AI headshots tools out there. So who is Try It On AI really for? This tool is perfect for busy professionals who need a new headshot quickly. If you are a job seeker, a freelancer, or a small business owner, this can be a great option for you. It's also great for remote teams that need to have consistent headshots for their company profiles. If you are someone who likes to experiment with different looks and styles, the Creative Studio can be a lot of fun. However, if you are a professional actor or model, you might still want to stick with a traditional photographer. The AI can be great, but it might not capture the small details and emotions that a real photographer can. So it's for people who need convenience and speed. Overall, Try It On AI is a very useful tool. It's fast, easy to use, and can create some really great looking professional headshots. But it's not perfect, and the results can be a bit of a mixed bag. If you decide to give it a try, you can find a link in the description below. Using our affiliate link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.